Welcome! In front of me I have FITBIT Inspire 3 and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this smartband. First we need to wake up the screen on our smartband, and you can do it by pressing the touch sensitive buttons on the both sides of the band. So you can press them to wake up the screen. After you wake up the screen, you should see the home screen, the current watch face, and now you can swipe left on the screen to scroll through the list of applications. Scroll through the list until you find the alarms application, and as you can see we have alarms here. We don't have any alarm, and we have this add button. So basically if you tap on the alarms, it will start creating a new alarm, and we can set the time on which the alarm should go off. You can swipe up and down on the screen to set the hour. Once you set the hour, you can tap on the screen to jump to minutes, then set minutes and tap on the screen, and then select AM or PM. As you can see, now we have the alarm set message, and now we can customize it even further. We can scroll down, we can turn it on or turn it off. We can scroll down even more, and we have option called repeats, and here we can basically select on which days the alarm should repeat. As you can see, by default the option one time is selected, and once this option is selected, the alarm will go off only once and then it won't repeat anymore. But you can select it to or make it to repeat on specific days. For example, we can select everyday option, and if this option is selected, it will repeat every day. But you can also select specific days. So for example, we could select Mondays and Fridays. So I'm gonna disable all other days. Fridays should be enabled, and Sundays. Okay. So now once I'm done, I can tap on the done button, and my alarm will repeat every Monday and Friday. Okay. Below the repeats, we have option called a smart wake, and you can enable it or disable it. And once you're done, you can swipe right on the screen, and now when you hover over the alarms application, you will see that you have your alarm right here. You can also swipe up on this app to add new alarm. So basically you can have multiple alarms enabled at the same time, like this. And now when you swipe up, you have list of more alarms. You can also edit the alarms. So basically, let's say we want to edit the first one, you can tap on it, and we can, for example, disable it and go back. And once the alarm is disabled, you will see this icon right here. You can also remove the alarms. To do it, simply tap on the alarm, scroll down, and tap on remove to remove it. Then yes, like this. Let's remove this one also, like that. And basically that's how you set up the alarms or alarm clock on this watch or smartband. Once you're done, you can press the touch sensitive buttons to go back to watch face. Okay, thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.